Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or how to replace rear door on a car guys. Now, we'll demonstrate on this door here on a Ford Focus, but it will actually work on probably 80 to 90% of the vehicles will be that way, and we will explain what needs to be done to remove and replace rear doors. Stay with us. Quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can guys. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work guys and free information we provide to you. Now if you want to save even more money guys on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get a really good deal on car parts and tools. So what you guys need to do, every time you guys remove door on your vehicle, especially new modern vehicles guys, okay, what you need to do, you need to make sure guys that you disconnect your car battery. And I would recommend to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. Why? Because sometimes you will have side airbags in the door, sometimes you will have side impact crash sensors that are located inside the door, and all that is part of the airbag system. Now, something else guys, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, I wouldn't recommend to do the job yourself. Why? Because airbags can kill you, so consider that entertaining video, not a how-to video, but we will explain how we do it here at the shop. So, this is the rear door that we'll be installing, new door, and this is the other door, okay. So, I'm going to go ahead, okay, and close this one. And I want to show you what you have here. Usually guys, most of the doors, they will have two hinges, excuse me. Two hinges, one on the bottom, one on top. You will have that device that actually keeps the door open when you open the door, so it doesn't close on its own. You know how your door opens in different positions, that's the device there. And you have the wiring harness for the door guys, right here. Now, first, what you need to do guys, disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before you start on it. Second, you need to disconnect the wiring harness. Some of them, like this one, it has two spots where you press in, or you can press in the middle. Some of them you press on the top and bottom. Some have a bolt guys that you need to remove to get the wiring harness loose. In our case, you can see it popped out like that. But we have to go on the other side, and we have, okay, one more to do on the other side. Let me show you quick. And how we are going to do that, we can just go ahead and close the door now. All the way. Perfect. Now, we're going to get the wiring harness loose on this side now. Okay, check it out. Perfect. And you leave it like that guys, you cannot disconnect it now. So, now, let me explain quick. You don't want to remove your door with the hinges there unless they're damaged. Why? Because you need to readjust everything guys. Okay, and you will look ugly, you get it scratched a little bit here. So, you want to remove it from the door itself guys. Now you have two possibilities. One is guys to remove that bolt right here, one bolt right here or one right there, or the other one is to remove the hinge bolt, depending on which design you have. We have two bolts that we're going to remove, one here, one there, or you can remove it from the door and the whole hinge assembly will stay on the car. So 10mm socket guys, and we're going to go ahead and remove the two bolts. Now, I would recommend having a person hold it. I shut the door all the way so it will not fall the way this one is designed, but some doors will do, so have a second person hold the door so it doesn't drop on you, doesn't smash your fingers, or you don't cause damage to your wiring harness or the door itself guys. So you have to be extremely careful. Perfect. Now, what we are going to do guys, okay, gently we will open the door. Ours will not fall. Okay, we'll gently open. Okay, let me explain something. Okay, you can see how the door opens. Okay, first position, and it stays open. Second, then third. This is because of that device, okay, right there. So that's what we'll need to disconnect now. So go ahead, remove the bolt. Usually you have one or two bolts. It really depends. And once you get it out, we'll be ready guys to grab that door and pull it out of the way. Perfect. Now, let me show you guys. I will pass the camera, okay, right there, so I can grab the door and gently pull it out, but careful with the wiring harness because it's still connected, guys. So what we are going to do now, okay, right here now we're going to disconnect it. You may have different designs. Ours are 2 clips, 2 plugins, connectors, and once we disconnect that, guys, okay, we just grab the whole door and the whole assembly comes out of here just like that. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.